So to create a virtual card, just open your FNB app. Once you've opened the app, log into your application. Need to authenticate that. And continue. Then go to the account. And inside of the account, go to account options. After you're in account options, go to my cards. And inside of my cards, just tap on add card. It's gonna tell you all of the things you need to agree to in order to create a virtual card, and then you tap virtual debit card. Give it a name, so I'm gonna name it virtual, right? And that's the name. After you've chosen the name or nickname, tap submit. And that's it. Your virtual card is created. You click on finish and then you'll see the card there. So the virtual card is here, and you can see by tapping on it, the CVV is there, which is valid for 1 hour. So this is quite useful for transactions where you don't want the card to be valid for longer than an hour or so. Say for example, you want to make a one-time purchase and you only want to pay it at that time. It's an online purchase and the card will work for that, but it won't work later on. You can temporarily block this card if you want. I'm not gonna tick OK, but you can confirm that if you want. And you can also go back to this card and use FNB Pay, and you can just tap and you can choose that virtual card. In here you can also change the pin, so you can set a pin for it. Say for example, I want the pin for this to be 1 2 3 4. I'm just gonna repeat the pin again, 1 2 3 4, and that's it. The pin has been changed. Now every time you're gonna use this card, it's gonna ask you for the pin. And if you decide that you don't want this virtual card anymore, you can just tap on cancel virtual card and confirm, and that's it. The card is now gone and it's no longer available. So you can literally make one transaction with the virtual card and then decide to just cancel the card altogether. And you can always add it later on if you really have trust issues with online shopping and all of that.